If you're building a smart home security setup, you've probably seen the Eufy SoloCam S340 and the Eufy Homebase S380, but here's the catch. They are completely different devices, so which one is actually worth it? Let's break it down. So the S340 is a standalone outdoor security camera with dual lenses, 3K resolution, and a full 360-degree pan and tilt. Some of its pros: dual lens system with up to 8 times hybrid zoom, solar powered with long battery life, and works standalone. No base station needed. However, it has limited storage, built in only unless expanded, and AI features are more basic without Homebase. It's best for users who want a simple, all-in-one security camera with easy setup. The S380, also called Homebase 3, isn't a camera. It's the brain of your entire security system. Some of its pros: central hub for multiple cameras, advanced AI like facial recognition, bionic mind, and expandable storage up to massive capacities. However, it doesn't work alone. It needs cameras and extra cost on top of your setup. It's best for users building a full security ecosystem with multiple cameras. So which one is worth it? Choose the S340 if you just want a simple standalone camera that works out of the box. Choose the S380 if you're building a full smart security system with advanced AI and storage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.